Hello guys, today we are going to see what are the career opportunities are there for mechanical engineer. So once you complete your graduation from mechanical engineering, you will be having something in mind that where I have to go, whether to pursue post graduations or to get a job or to produce a service in civil services or act as a teacher. So these are the different opportunities we'll get for the mechanical engineering. So what are the opportunities which are available in India or abroad that we are going to see? Before that, so mechanical engineers is having a broad knowledge which creates solutions and solve problems, playing a central role in the design and implementation of moving parts in range of industries. As a mechanical engineer, you will provide efficient solutions to the development of processes and products ranging from small component designs to extremely large plants, machineries or vehicles. You will work on all stages of product from research and development to design and manufacture through to installation and final commissioning. Most industries rely on a form of mechanical systems, and mechanical engineering is thought to be one of the most diverse of all engineering disciplines. Due to this, there are employment opportunities across several sectors. So, whatever the knowledge you acquired while doing mechanical engineering, that knowledge will be used in many industries and one will get good opportunity in different streams. So once you complete, you must focus upon what are the job opportunities I will get when I complete my graduation from mechanical engineering. So as a graduate of any stream, if you see, you can get the public sector opportunities in same stream, that there are some Navratnas and Mini Ratnas like ONGC, HPCL, Rail, railways or metro projects are there which are governed by the government. Also, you can get a private sector opportunities in same stream like MNC companies, TCS, Infosys, L&T for the both mass and selective. These are the recruiters. There you can get your job. You can get the opportunity in public sector in different stream like bank PO, IT officers, UPSC, IAS, state administrative services, SSC, that staff selection commission, etc. Private sector opportunities in different stream like good MNC, but in banking and management, there you will get the career options. And as a mechanical engineer, you can see whatever the industries of employment which we are getting from this pictorial view, you can get the 36% are from manufacturing, 30% from professional scientific and technical services, 12% government agency, 3% are self-employed, and 19% are other. There you will get the employment for mechanical engineer. So you will focus on the different things where the mechanical engineer will get a job. So he can get a job as a quality engineer when the products are manufactured to see the what are the accuracy and what are the shape size. There he can get the quality assessment very good. For the designing the new product or implementation of whatever the design is available, any new changes are there, he can make the design. So the design, as a design engineer, one can appoint. Research and development. Now research and development is a mechanical hertz if working in a medical industry. So most of the new techniques are developed by most of the mechanical engineers. So research and development, new things we have to implement, new things we have to manufacture, and that will serve the purpose of mankind or common peoples. They can work in manufacturing field where the parts are manufactured in a mass number, the mass production which where the required based on the customer requirement. Then HVAC, that refrigeration, there also now if you see in the industrial scenario or the culture of a surrounding, you can get that air conditioning and refrigeration is getting more benefits. That HVAC you will get the opportunity. Then most important, that automobile sector, for getting small components which required from the automobile to develop the final car or final machine, that you can get the knowledge, and based on that knowledge you can acquire the opportunity in that field. For that you'll get the software knowledge or theoretical knowledge, and you have to implement that in a practical way. If you are having a good sound practical knowledge and technical knowledge, then you'll get the opportunities. One of the good, that is ISRO. Then in robotics, the now the automation is taking place. So there automation, the robots are playing very good role. So to take that robots to properly operate properly, we are doing the programming. So the Python and C language, there the knowledge of that you can use there, and automation can be possible. Also another important, that if you are not want to do the work in any work under any person, then you can establish your startup business. That these are the some ideas where you can use your knowledge to develop a startup business, that machining designing, supply chain management, solar panel installation, CNC machining businesses, e-waste cycling, mechanical engineering consultancy firm, product assembly service. There you can use your knowledge and you can start your business. So my suggestion is to keep calm and study mechanical engineering, take the technical knowledge, practical knowledge, and you'll get a good career in this mechanical engineering. Thank you. Thank you very much.